How to do your KYC on ECOX airdrop. So in this video I'm going to simply show you how to actually do your KYC on this airdrop. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So right here on this page you can see where it says KYC. You simply need to go ahead and click on KYC like this. Once you click on KYC, this is your profile. Now looking right here on your profile, you can see where it says not KYC. So all you need to do is to go ahead and click on that. So once you click on KYC, this is exactly what you're going to see on your screen. So you need to make sure you have a stable data connection throughout the whole process, and no fee is actually going to be deducted from your airdrop account. So right here, in order to continue, you need to go ahead and click on confirm. You can see the confirm button at the bottom of the screen. So once you click on the confirm button like this, looking right here on the screen, the first step you need to take is to upload a portrait image of you. So you need to go ahead and upload the portrait image of you by clicking on where you can see update your image. Go ahead and click on that like this and upload your image. So once you're done uploading your image like this, you need to scroll down here gently. At the bottom of the screen like this, you can see where it says continue. You need to click on the continue button like this. So after that, you're going to receive a notification saying that your KYC image has been uploaded successfully. So after receiving this notification, the next step you need to take is to do a live video of yourself by clicking on allow while using this app. Then go ahead and click on start verification. Now you need to do a live video of yourself. Video yourself. Once it is done recording yourself like this and verifying your face like this, you're going to see something like this saying verification completed. So the next step you need to take is to come back right here, refresh the page, and you're going to see that your KYC is now completed. So this is how simple it is to do your KYC on ECOX. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. See you in the next one.